All right, we're gonna break down today's crazy choreography, but I think it shouldn't be too hard. Let's break it down. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're gonna stop right there, okay? The leg itself, you're just gonna hop forward, right leg, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2. From here, this is a heel toe pivot, okay? Left heel, right toe. That's on the ground. So 1 and 2 and 3. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Arms open up 1 and 2 here and 3. You hold this, okay? And then and 4. Grab and pull down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, we're gonna hop 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Side view, right. When I hop, 5 is this way. And I'm gonna land on my right heel, left toe. The weight distribution, it's about 50-50, I think. Actually more like 55-45. A little bit more on the front leg. Here, a little bit more on the front leg. Twist back. After I go 5 and 6, make sure on the 6, this goes down, because then now I'm gonna go and 7. The and 7 is toe-toe pivot. I got a heel-toe pivot and the toe-toe pivot. That's probably the most intricate part of this routine right now. 5, 6, from the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. On an 8, come back. Okay? Good. Moving forward, we have. Oh, down, no. Okay. So 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So in the class, we'd have these drills. So imagine a square or a U, a right angle U. Okay, you're gonna go down and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Just do that drill. So make sure you got a nice right angle. But in our routine, we have front line and back line. So I'm gonna do the back line first. So you have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay. Side, back. When I go to the front, make sure I go and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and you don't have to be too low, but at least I would say maybe 2 inches for your maximum height, right? Down here, obviously your knees gonna bend, but slight bending of your waist too. So you're down here, and you're gonna go 7 and keep it out. So don't go 7, don't come up. You're gonna go 7 and 8. Okay, good. 2/3 of the way. So from here we have and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Let me break that down, okay? What I'm doing is I'm on the ball of my feet. The weight is on the ball of my feet, so heels are off the ground. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pivot. So when you're at home or wherever you're drilling, just make sure you're pivoting. That's the first thing you do. Second thing is I want you to pivot and hop at the same time. So instead of like this, I want you to go 1 and so your feet actually both ball of feet leave the ground versus like this. You guys see the difference? So like instead of my heel going just and the ball stays on the ground, I'm actually hopping, leave the ground. Okay? 5, 6, 7. This is 8. You have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm just gonna do it to 4. But you guys, if you want to drill all the way to 8, you guys know it's tiring. So, but let's give it a try. Now, double leg, right? Double leg is a little bit easier. Now, single leg is a little bit harder. When you do the single leg, make sure you turn your body. So here's the difference. If I go like this, and 1 and 2, see that? Versus and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. I use my so from here, I turn that here. It's kind of like a lunge, right? And 1 and 2. So if you want to pull your arm, that helps. And 1 and 2. It's kind of like I'm hitting the drum in the front. And bam, 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 bam. It's not just bam, bam, bam. and bam. So you really turn, and this hip opens up. Open it up, center. Open up, center. Hey, that's not alone. Here we go. So, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 7 and 8 is the tricky part, right? So we have, here's and 7, okay? Let's go for 5. So, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Whew. That's 3 8 counts, huh? 3 very tough 8 counts. But that's our routine. Let me try to see if I can do it one time. Like, 2 seconds. Give me a pause. Pause. With my count, and same thing when you guys try without music. Okay, once you get it without music, then play something mid-tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Count with me.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
All right.